Hi everyone. This is an example of Dijkstra's algorithm presented by 5th SEM CSE students, namely Hema, Lakshmi, Rutuja, Seema, Shivani and Sushma. Dijkstra's algorithm. Determining the shortest routes for taxi drivers using Dijkstra's shortest path algorithm. We are here to discuss how Dijkstra's shortest path algorithm could help taxi drivers in determining the shortest path for the least cost possible. Let's define what is Dijkstra's algorithm. Dijkstra's algorithm computes least cost path from one node to all other nodes in the network. Dijkstra's is invented by Edzard W. Dijkstra's in 1956. These are other two definitions for Dijkstra's algorithm. Now let's look into the algorithm. Now we are going to apply Dijkstra's shortest path algorithm in determining the possible routes for taxi drivers. Suppose there is a taxi driver, namely Ram. He wants to reach the destination of his passengers, namely Rutuja and Seema. Rutuja and Seema has meeting with Professor. This is the graph of the routes where our source is Mumbai and destination is Delhi. Suppose we have a graph that is connected by weighted edges. Dijkstra's algorithm allows us to calculate the shortest path from the source node to all other nodes. Suppose the way of transportation is taking the taxi and the passenger would travel from Mumbai to New Delhi. The taxi drivers want to minimize the time of travel to gain more profit. The starting point would be Mumbai. In order to travel to New Delhi, the taxi drivers would pass through either Bangalore, Hyderabad, Kolkata and Lucknow. Starting from Mumbai, the driver will take the path to Kolkata. Since it is the shortest, then the path to Bangalore. Kolkata will then be marked as visited and the driver will take the path to Bangalore. Since it is shortest, then the path to Lucknow. The Bangalore will then be marked as visited and now the drivers will take the path to Lucknow. Since it is the shortest, then the path to Hyderabad. Lucknow will then be marked as visited. Then Hyderabad will be the last place to be marked as visited before arriving to New Delhi. Therefore, the shortest path from Mumbai to New Delhi from the taxi drivers to take is the route of Kolkata to Bangalore, to Lucknow, to Hyderabad and finally which have a cost of travel of 4. This is the tabular summary of the taken example, where n is the number of nodes visited, nothing but the cities visited, and d indicates the distance and p indicates the previous node, which is nothing but the earlier cities visited. This is the least cost path and forwarding table from the source Mumbai to destination New Delhi. Therefore, Ram will take the routes from Mumbai, Kolkata, Bangalore, Lucknow, Hyderabad, New Delhi so that he can make it easy as early he can drop Rutuja and Seema to the place where Professor is. Thank you.